Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we're asked to find matrix P. We're given the equation A times P equals B, and we're also told what the A and B matrices are. So we have the equation A times P equals B. Now we're trying to solve for P, so we want P by itself on one side. We need to move this A to the other side. So we're going to take A inverse. So we have P equals A inverse times B. So A inverse, that's the inverse of A. We were given matrix A, that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. And times matrix B, and we were also given matrix B, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how do we find A inverse? Well, if we have matrix A as A, B, C, D, A inverse is found by taking 1 over the determinant. So the determinant is the product of the entries in the main diagonal, AD, minus the product of the entries in the other diagonal, so CB. So we have 1 over the determinant times the matrix. Now A and D will switch places, so we have D and A, and then negative B and negative C. So this is how you find the inverse. So let's apply that here to A inverse. So we have 1 over the determinant. That's 3 times 16, that's the main diagonal, minus 5 times 4. And now let's set up this matrix. The 3 and 6 will switch positions. So we have 6 and 3. And then we'll take negative 4 and negative 5. And again, we're still multiplying this by B. So let's look at 1 over the determinant. For the denominator, we have 18 minus 20, so that gives us a negative 2. So we have negative 1/2 times this matrix, and then times matrix B. So the next thing that we want to do is multiply each of these entries by the negative 1/2. And what do we get? Well, we get negative 3, 2, 5/2, and negative 3/2. And then we're multiplying this by matrix B. So now we need to find the product. So we're going to multiply for the first entry, negative 3 times 2 plus 2 times 4. And that equals 2. The next entry is 5/2 times 2 plus negative 3/2 times 4, and that gives us a negative 1. Moving over to the second column, we have negative 3 times 3 plus 2 times 5, and that equals 1. And then 5/2 times 3 plus negative 3/2 times 5, and that equals 0. So this is our final answer here. This represents matrix P. Letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.